Hi everyone. Today, under the accounting terminologies, we are going to discuss about the terminology capital. What is capital? So, capital is the amount invested by the proprietor in the business. It could be in the form of monetary, money, cash, or in the form of goods. So, this is considered as a liability towards the proprietor. Why? Because proprietor is separate from its entity, from the business. Now, why do we need capital in the business? So, these are the financial resources which are used by the business for the purpose of operations, growing the business, and getting the future benefits out of it. So now in terms of accounting equation, how do we term capital? Capital is the base of accounting equation. So when if you look at the accounting equation, it's asset is equal to liabilities plus shareholders funds. So after deducting all the liabilities from the assets, whatever amount remains is the capital for the business. So that was the term capital which we understood today. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe to this channel for more details. We will talk about more on the capitals in the upcoming videos. Thank you.